Eric's little XR70 has a flat back tire. So I got to change the inner tube, but I'm going to show the kids how to do it. So I got to put some things together and get set up, and I'm going to warm the shop up a bit so we can do that, because after that I have to look at the rest of these machines, and I already prepped the stove. I hear it sizzling. Job here today is to fix El Flato. El Flato is all done. So his friend Tubaru needs to be replaced. Now you're at an easy level to work. Going this way. Roundy, roundy, roundy. Keep attention to your spacers. There's a spacer in there. What about this side? No spacer? Okay, go ahead. Come down, spacer falls out, take your chain off, take the brakes out, there's your wheel. One flat tire. It's not going to be bright enough in here for this, unfortunately, for video. I don't believe. And we are lacking in lube. My effing ridiculous tire irons, because I don't know where the hell the little ones are. You want to help here? Sure. Hold on to the wheel. Oh, look at that. Failure of the valve right there. Rubber bands and straps. And all that kind of crap. Brap, brap, brap.